Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here to tell you about a product I received from BB Crafts, and I was able to pick a couple of their items out and test them for them. So I picked out a wax seal kit and some wax beads, and I'm here to share. I also have a live video up where I actually did this live. I will have that linked in the description box below. Also, in the description, there will be a code for $5 from BB Crafts. If you use my name, get $5 off a $40 order. So let me tell you about what I picked out. I picked out this 12-piece wax seal kit, well made. It came with 12 different designs, and I will share them. It came with the handles, and you just take one of these, and you just screw the little seal in it, and then boom. So this is the bee. This is what it looks like. I picked this blue wax kit. Came with the wax, little wax. And there were 2 spoons and some candles. And this was 13 something. And there's this one. Did a really good job. A Flamingo. I had the silver and gold pendant you see on the little over the wax thing already. So I used that. The star. Looks cool. Kind of hard to see. So I'm hoping you guys are able to see. This was made with this. That one. And paw prints. And compass. I like that one. The fox. And the wolf. And the butterfly. Okay, where's the butterfly? I do have a oh, here, I'll show you this one. Here's the butterfly. And then the flower. The flower is one of my favorites. And then we have the bee. So you get all these little wax seal brass, 2 handles for $29.98. And then that's what I picked. And then I picked the wax pellets, nice and blue. This has like a shimmer to it. And it came with 2 spoons and a couple candles. I burnt 1 candle up already. You get, I think, 4. And that was $13. I will have all the information linked in the description box below. If you're interested, go check out bbcrafts.com. And if you use my name, Tina, all capitals, you can get $5 off a $40 purchase. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Oh, this is what I came up with some ideas, guys, before I end this video. I'm sorry. I put it in a bottle cap, guys. It's a bottle cap. And I also put it on the back of an envelope. I made embellishments. And I also added it to an ATC card. Whoops. Just to add a little, trying to come up with different ways to use them. And you see that all in my live video, which I will also have in the description box below. So you can come up with different ways to use these other than on the back of an envelope. I also think you could put them on a tag, put them like on an envelope, and then when you have in a journal book, you know, and you have that pocket, you can put it there. I mean, always think out of the box on items that you buy. I mean, I'm not just going to use them on the back of an envelope. I have to come up with another idea how to use these wax seals. It wouldn't be me if I only used them for that. So, like I said, in the comments, or in the description, in the description there will be the information for you to go over to BB Crafts and save $5 on your $40 purchase. it will be my name in all caps, Tina. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.